Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-38G Reverser Arm Latch. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-38G Reverser Arm Latch for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So let's go into template MMGS. Now this is going to be two-part piece and then joined together. I'll do the whole lot in one video. It's classed as one part, but it's two parts joined together. Okay, let's go to the right plane. Sketch was circle. So we want two circles. Inner one will be 3mm. The other one will be 5mm. There we go. And that's going to be 6 wide. So feature, extrude, mid plane, and 6. And done. Okay, we're just going to put a bevel on that. Fill it. It'll be 1mm. So let's just see that one and that one, because it's kind of what there's two. That way, hide things in. Okay, it does not like that for some reason. File the correct fill. Please check in. Okay. Just take that one out. Just put this circle, take that one out, this circle, and see if that works. Nope, it does not like it. Okay. Let's take out that circle and that circle. See what it does. Ooh, that's why. Maybe not 1mm. Not bad. I'm used to working on bigger pieces. Okay. So let's put 0.125 is what we've done before. So that side and that side. And okay. Ah, that's better. That's better. Let's just take the edge off. So that's not that part done. That's that part of that part, if that makes sense. Oh, where are we? Yeah. We want now create a cylinder. Not from the center, that's a thing. Where are we? Front plane. Let's offset that plane by, how big was that hole? 3mm, so 4mm. 2mm. Because we want half the diameter. There we go. Beautiful. So that's going to be there. Beautiful. Now from that plane, that plane, thank you. Sketch. Circle. I mean, there's point there. That's going to be 2mm. 2mm. Now, I thought I missed the. That's what I was after. I missed the point. Nope. Oh. Oh. Let's go out that minute. Let me go to normal. There we go. So we want that to be center. So we go back in that plane, hit sketch. There we go. And the center layer. If you have trouble doing that, go out, do normal 2, and go back in. So that's going to be concurrent. There we go. It's locked in. Beautiful. Now we want to extrude that. Now it's 83.5 from the center, but we've already gone 2mm. 2mm? Yeah, 2mm. So it's going to be 81.5. So we go to extrude, yep. So 81.5 5. And done. There we go. You hide that plane. Let me now do that. Sorry. Go normal 2. Let's go into evaluate, measure from that point to that one there. Oh, I didn't do that. Okay, so that circle there to that point, 83.5. Perfect. There you go. If you want to check something, always use this measurement tool. That comes so handy. Okay, so that's all we got to do. Nope. Let's do. I've already done the bevels, didn't we? Okay, let me. That there. Beautiful. Okay, that's that one done. That is part. What's it called again? 1-C8G. Pole. Cool pole. Now we need to build the other part, which is goes on the end of these. Remember that one we done a few episodes back? I forget what number it is now. We had the teeth. This part we build, and that goes in the teeth. Okay, so let's go file, new template, and then we want front, sketch, and it's going to be to that one. Oh, I'll do that one. Let's do, oh, not that one, that one. There we go. Okay, so now we want that point. What's the center of that one? Actually, you know what? Let's do it this way. Good about that. Smart dimension. This line to that line is going to be 5. This line to this line is going to be 5. That is going to be 16 overall. Beautiful. And this is going to be 6. Beautiful. Now let's go to trim tool. Get rid of that one, that one, that one, and that one. There we go. Beautiful. Now we want smart dimension. This part here is going to be 8. That's locked in. Okay, that one's not locked in. 4. Okay, there we go. There's one I missed. 4. Oh, we've got a line there. There we go. And everything's locked in. Everything's black. Not move anything. Go away. Go away. Thank you. Yep, everything's locked in. And this is going to be 4 mil thick. So we go feature, 4 mil, mid plane, and done. Okay. So now let's go top here first. Let's go to normal 2. Sketch. We want to drill a hole in this. So we're going to do the hole this way. That's going to be 2 mil because it's going to be that handle just done the pole. It's going to be press fit into there. So it's got to be a tight fit, 2 mil. And that's going to be feature, extrude, 5 mil, and done. There you go. So that's 5 mil down. Beautiful. Now, let's go this side, the end here, normal 2. Halfway down, we got like a V. So let's do a sketch. Let's do halfway. Yep. So this line up there, that's perfect. About there. Actually, I can go there. This one and this one and go together. Oh, can't. So we delete that one. We delete that one, thank you. Add the vertical on there. Now that should work. Nope. Okay. For some reason it didn't want to connect, but when I did that, it did. Okay, so this is 4 wide, so that's gonna be half a millimeter wide. 0.5. There we go. Perfect. Now we want to do a mirror. Want to do the entities. That one, that one, that one. Mirror on the front plane. There we go. Beautiful. Feature, extrude, cut, through all, and done. There we go. That is done. That looks like everything on there. Yes, it is. Beautiful. Let's save that one. Let's see. 1 dash C8G. I'll call it tooth. I always call that part, so it's like a tooth going into the thing, so that's good. Make sure it's saved. Go new. We want assembly MMGS. We want the pole first. Insert tooth. Beautiful. Now let's just save this before we forget. It's gonna be, oh, we saved those 2 parts on assembly, didn't we? Dang it. Okay, 1 dash. Yeah. Those 2 need to come out and go back in the other directory. C8 F. No, G. There we go. Okay, now mate. We shall go on the bottom there. And the end of that should turn it right way. Yes, it does. Outside of that, circle, cylinder, inside cylinder. Now, we want that edge to be parallel with that edge. And that should be it. If we didn't do that, this could spin around. So let me bring that in. Beautiful. That's part 1-C8G, Reverser Arm Latch done. So I guess it could call that latch, and that's the arm. Could have done that too, I will. So the arm latch, that makes sense. Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the episode, if you learned something, click the like button, subscribe and leave comments. They'll appreciate it. Thank you everyone that's been supporting my channel. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.